Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get started our lesson. So, first sentence is get in the habit of speaking English. Get in the habit of speaking English. English बोलने की आदत डाल लो. Second, he got me in trouble. He got me in trouble. उसने मुझे मुश्किल में डाल दिया. 3. Where have he put the mower? Where have he put the mower? उसने घास काटने वाला कहाँ रख दिया. 4. How stinky shirt is this? How stinky shirt is this? कितनी بدبودار है ये कमीज़. 5. Duplicity will not go there. Duplicity will not go there. वहाँ दोगलापन नहीं चलेगा. 6. I consider you as my sis. I consider you as my sis. मैं आपको अपनी बहन समझता हूँ. 7. How naive you are. How naive you are. कितने भोले हो तुम. 8. She comes occasionally. She comes occasionally. वो कभी कभार आती है. 9. Sir David will be invigilating today. Sir David will be invigilating today. Sir David आज निगरानी करेंगे. The last one is 10. Do right by him whenever he comes. Do right by him whenever he comes. उसके साथ अच्छा बर्ताव करना जब वो आए तो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.